Welcome back to Top 4 Repairs. If you're doing a valve cover gasket replacement and you can't remove the valve cover, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. Before trying to take out the valve cover, make sure to remove everything that's on the way. For example, remove engine brackets, remove spark plug wires, remove ignition coils, remove the PCV, remove engine harness, and everything that's blocking it. Be sure to take out the valve cover gasket. Make sure to remove every single bolt, stud, or nuts that's on the valve cover. And sometimes the bolts, nut, or stud can be hidden because oil and dirt can be covering it, and sometimes you might just miss it. Now let's remove the bolts and nuts. As you can see, there's a mixture of bolts and nuts and studs that's holding down the valve cover. For some vehicles, the valve cover might have a small cutout like this, and you could actually stick a small pry bar or a flathead screwdriver to remove the valve cover. Unfortunately, for this valve cover, there is no cutout. If your valve cover is stuck and you can't remove it, use a rubber mallet and tap on it until it breaks loose, like this. Or you can use a wooden block and a hammer, and you can start tapping all around it to break it loose. If you still can't break it loose, use a razor blade and try removing as much gasket material as you can. Make sure to go all around. Next, start using a pry bar or a flathead screwdriver and start prying up the valve cover. If you're prying up the valve cover and it only lifts up halfway, maybe there's a bolt hidden somewhere on this side. So make sure to remove that, because if you keep trying to pry it, two things are going to happen. You're either going to damage the valve cover or you're going to cause a lot of scratches on the mating surface. If you keep prying it up and you still can't remove it, that's because maybe the timing cover is mounted to the side of the valve cover. So make sure you don't miss that part. For some vehicles, like European vehicles, sometimes it's hard to see on the back end of the valve cover. So what I like to do is I like to take my hand and just start feeling for bolts that might be hidden. That's probably the only way to find for hidden bolts. If you have a telescopic mirror, that'll work very well to find hidden bolts. And if you don't have a telescopic mirror, you can always use a girly mirror, and you can find hidden bolts that way. So that's how you remove a stuck valve cover. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.